Sandra Bullock and Daniel Radcliffe attended the premiere of their new film The Lost City at the South by Southwest Film Festival in Austin, Texas, and posed together while smiling and looking stylish. Sandra Bullock, 57, looked incredible at the South by Southwest Film Festival in Austin, Texas on Saturday. The gorgeous actress was joined by her co-star Daniel Radcliffe, 32, at the premiere of their new flick The Lost City, as she wore a fashionable dark orange red top with cutouts under a dark orange blazer and matching pants with a white drawstring. She had her hair down and wore natural-looking makeup as she happily posed beside the hunk to take photos. Daniel also looked great in a maroon blazer over a white top and matching maroon pants and shoes. In addition to posing together, the talented stars posed for solo pics and appeared relaxed and grateful to be there. At one point, they also posed with other people involved in the movie. Related gallery. Sandra Bullock through the years. Sandra and Daniel's new feature is about a romance novelist named Loretta Sage, played by Sandra, who goes off on a book tour with cover model Alan Caprizan, played by Channing Tatum. The writer is then kidnapped by a billionaire, played by Daniel, and Alan takes it upon himself to rescue her. Brad Pitt also stars in the film. Much of the film was filmed in the Dominican Republic, and after several months, it finished filming in August 2021. The stars had a Q&A session at the premiere and answered various questions about the process and the result. Sandra joked about Brad's part and said he was her 8th choice to play the Navy SEAL he plays that helps to rescue her character. He and I both have the same hairdresser. She told him to do my movie and she told me to do his movie. I am not joking, that's how it happened, she reportedly said during this session. She also mentioned that she will probably wait to do another film in the future as she focuses on raising her kids, Louis, 11, and Layla, 8. The Lost City officially comes out in the USA on March 19.